It's time for a little humor. This is from Bruce. Recently, I was honored to be selected to be a judge at a chili cook-off because no one else wanted to do it. Also, the original person called in sick at the last moment, and I happened to be standing there at the judge's table asking for directions to the beer wagon when the call came. I was assured by the other two judges that the chili wouldn't be all that spicy, and they told me I could have free beer during the tasting, so I accepted this as being one of those burdens you endure when you're an internet writer and are therefore known and adored by all. Here are the scorecards from the event. Chili number 1, Mike's Maniac Mobster Monster Chili. Judge 1, a little too heavy on the tomato. I'm using kick. Judge 2, nice, smooth tomato flavor. Very mild. Bruce, holy smokes, what is this stuff? You could remove dried paint from your driveway with it. Took me 2 beers to put the flames out. Hope that's the worst one. These people are crazy. Chili number 2, Arthur's Afterburner Chili. Judge number 1, smoky barbecue with a hint of pork, slight jalapeno tang. Judge number 2, exciting barbecue flavor, needs more peppers to be taken seriously. Bruce, keep this out of reach of children. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to taste besides pain. I had to wave off 2 people who wanted to give me the Heimlich maneuver. Shoved my way to the front of the beer line. The barmaid looks like a professional wrestler after a bad night. She was so irritated over my gagging sounds that the snake tattoo under her eye started to twitch. She has arms like Popeye and a face like Winston Churchill. I will not pick a fight with her. Chili number 3, Fred's famous Burn Down the Barn Chili. Judge number 1, excellent firehouse chili. Great kick, needs more beans. Judge number 2, a beanless chili, a bit salty, good use of red peppers. Bruce, this has got to be a joke. Call the EPA. I've located a uranium spill. My nose feels like I have been My nose feels like I have been sneezing Drano. Everyone knows the routine by now and got out of my way so I could make it to the beer wagon. Barmaid pounded me on the back. Now my backbone is Now my backbone is in the front of my chest. She said her friends call her Sally. Probably behind her back they call her She said her friends call her Sally, probably because behind her back they call her forklift. Chili number 4, Bubba's Black Magic. Judge 1, black bean chili with almost no spice. Disappointing. Judge number 2, a hint of lime in the black beans. Good side dish for fish and other mild foods. Not much of a chili. Bruce, I felt someone scraping across my tongue. Bruce, I felt something scraping across my tongue, but was unable to taste it. Sally was behind me with a fresh refill, so I wouldn't have to dash over to see her. When she winked at me, her snake sort of coiled and uncoiled. It's kind of cute. Chili number 5, Linda's Legal Lip Remover. Judge 1, meaty, strong chili, freshly ground. Cayenne peppers add considerable kick. Very impressive. Judge 2, chili using shredded beef. Could use more tomato. Must admit the cayenne peppers make a strong statement. Bruce, my ears are ringing and I can no longer focus my eyes. I belched and 4 people in front of me needed paramedics. The contestants seemed to hurt. The contestant seemed hurt when I told her that her chili had given me brain damage. Sally saved my tongue by pouring beer directly on it from a pitcher. Sort of irritates me that one of the other judges asked me to stop screaming. Chili number 6, Vera's Very Vegetarian Variety. Judge number 1, Thin yet bold vegetation variety chili. Good balance of spice and peppers. Judge 2, the best yet, aggressive use of peppers, onions, and garlic. Superb. Bruce, my intestines are now a straight pipe filled with gaseous flames. No one seems inclined to stand behind. No one seems inclined to stand behind me except Sally. I ask her if she wants to go dancing later. Oh, chili number 7, Susan's Screaming Sensation Chili. Judge number 1, a mediocre chili with too much reliance on canned peppers. Judge number 2, ho-hum. Tastes as if the chef threw in canned chili peppers at the last moment. I should note that I am a bit worried about judge number 3. He appears to be in a bit of distress. Bruce, who is judge number 3, you could put a hand grenade in my mouth and pull the pin, and I wouldn't feel it. I've lost the sight in one eye, and the world sounds like it's in a mode of rushing water. My clothes are covered with chili, which slid unnoticed out of my mouth at some point. Good. At autopsy, they'll know what killed me. Go, Sally. Save yourself before it's too late. Tell our children I'm sorry I was not there to conceive them. I've decided to stop breathing. It's too painful, and I'm not getting any oxygen anyway. If I need air, I'll just let it in through the hole in my stomach. Call the X-Files, people, and tell them I have found a supernova on my tongue. Chili number 8, Helen's Mount St. Chili. Judge 1. This final entry is a good balanced chili, neither mild nor hot. Sorry to see that most of it was lost when judge number 3 fell and pulled the chili pot on top of him. Judge 2. A perfect ending. This is a nice chili, safe for all. Not too bold, but spicy enough to declare its existence. Bruce, Mama, that is called the chili competition, and there's no source at who wrote it. So it is not mine. I'd love to say it's mine. It's not mine, but I can't read it without laughing. There you have it. A little humor in the middle of all these stories I've been telling about my career in network TV news. I'm Don Smith. You can find me at donsmith.tv to see my portfolio. You can see me at drowningpuppy.com. A direct link to my effort to try and save a drowning puppy that's got millions of views among 5 different versions. But next time, back to my adventures in network TV news coverage.